Hello everyone, it's Rami with Yume Cars. I'm happy to show this 1989 Toyota Landcruiser Bandeirante. This is a double cabin. I haven't done a review since that green one from 1964. So this is a little different if you want to come check it out. This is really cool because these were only offered in Brazil with the Mercedes diesel from the factory, as you can see right here. The first video I did was with the 1964. It had the first generation Mercedes diesel. This is the second generation Mercedes diesel that came from the factory. This one has the OM314 diesel engine. It's a little more powerful than the previous one. It's a 3.8 liter inline 4-cylinder. This is cool because it's already been turbocharged. We started adding a vintage air system to it for heat and AC for the client. This was special ordered from Brazil for our client. We just did a service and inspection, so it's pretty clean right now. If you want to go around, check it out. The interior of it right here. And then if you want to look into the back, it's got the 4x4 as well. I haven't bolted this back on because we're working on the AC system. Just wanted to give you guys a quick look at it. Then right here, you can see that it's got back seats right here. This is the vintage air system, so it's taking out the whole entire back space. But you can fit people comfortably in the back. And in the later years, they went to the 4-door. We can do the customization to 4-door as well if anyone's ever interested in doing a 4-door conversion on it. We do all of the customizations in Brazil. Come check it out. This is the rear end of it. It has aftermarket taillights. Usually you're used to that Landcruiser taillights like in the green one. That's what the majority of them come with. This bed right here, we put a bed liner in it. It's got the roof rack, roll bar right here. As you can see, it's a Toyota right here, FJ45 LP. I'm gonna start it up real quick. Very healthy engine. Show y'all. I'm gonna do a quick drive around. We'll go that way if you wanna follow me. Toyota Landcruiser Bandeirante double cabin. You want to look underneath, it's pretty clean as well. You can see it's the 4x4 right there. We are one of the only dealerships in the whole entire United States that brings these in. So if you're interested in one, contact me today and we can get you one. There's a lot of available options, whether it's the OM314, the newer engine, the OM364, which is the 4-liter inline 4-cylinder diesel, and then followed by that, they went to the Toyota 14B diesel. Anything after 1994, they went to the Toyota 14B diesel engine. So contact me today, and we can hook you up with a beautiful double cabin Landcruiser, and you can show it off to all your friends, go to the car shows, be very unique anywhere anywhere you go, and it's an extremely bulletproof, reliable diesel truck. So hit me up today and we'll import you a beautiful Toyota Land Cruiser. Only at You Make Cars.